My name is Marquise. I live on Baltimore Lower East Side, and I go to Reach Partnership. I was amazed when I came to the new school. The technology of the building, like the windows, the structure of the building, everything.
Hello, my name is Sierra. I go to Reach Partnership, and I live near Bel Air and Edison. I think a better environment helps students get more comfortable and want to come to school, rather than an old building that you really wouldn't want to come to. But now that we do, I feel as though the same level, we're able to excel just like them.
My name's Zure, and I go to Reach Partnership. I live in Darley Park area. It's a huge difference. Everything is nicer, and it makes you just want to keep it up that way. It makes the students want to do different, do better for us.
My name is Kennedy. I'm from Park Heights, and I go to Reach Partnership. There's so much technology here that you can't really, I was even shocked myself how much technology we got in here.
Show how far our school came. And it reflects the students a lot. It's way better. It's a great atmosphere to be in.
If you look in here, this is our new music room. We didn't have this at all. We never had a music room. So at the old building, we really didn't have that much equipment and stuff, but now this year we have moving beds, we have scales. We still have we have a mannequin that you can practice on and practice your positions on and stuff. Right now we're in the community center, and this is where the food pantry is, the clothing pantry.
Anyone that just needs it, they can come in, they can take it. It's real good because we didn't have that. We didn't have this. Since we were able to get new stuff, it helped us out a lot because it makes us more, oh yeah, let's do this. We got it.
A clean facility is much better than old ones.
When I went to the ribbon cutting and whatnot, I cried a little bit because I was really happy.
Coming into my last year, because I spent most of my 3 years at the old building, and it was fun.
Everybody got a smile on their face. The feeling you get when you come to school. It's you want to come to school. You want to say you go to this building.
Be living in that fear state, we come here, we come into school, and it's we never know what's going to happen. We never know if someone's going to try to hurt us. We don't have to worry that much about it because, the new systems and stuff like that.
I'm much more confident now that we have the equipment that we need because before we didn't. So now that we have hands-on and everything, it's going to be much better. Once I'm certified, once I graduate, I'll be certified, and I have the experience of shifting patients, moving the bed, practicing and stuff.
Reflect on all the students. The students will be better.
If you bring the community with this school, it helps the children get better and stay off the streets and want to learn to come to school.
Just keep us in this environment where we feel good, we feel safe about it.
And I think some schools deserve it, like how we deserve it.